Polytropic process. Polytropic process is an internally reversible process during which PB exponent n is equal to C or constant, where n is any constant. Can you see the figure? This is the PB diagram. 1 to 2 is the polytropic process, and TS diagram, which is 1 to 2. Okay, the area under the curve, ito yung non-flow work. Yung steady flow work is ditong side. So PB exponent n as constant. PB is equal to MRT. And T2 over T1 is equal to B1 over B2 exponent n minus 1. T2 over T1 is equal to P2 over P1 exponent n minus 1 over n. Delta S almost also the same. MCP times T2 minus T1. Delta U is equal to MCB T2 minus T1. Lahat ng equation lang ilalagay natin dito. So, wait, meron tayong pagkakamali dito. So, non-flow work is Q is equal to delta U plus W and F. W and F is equal to P1 B1 over 1 minus N times B2 over B1 1 exponent 1 minus N minus 1 is equal to P1 over B1 over 1 minus N times P1 over P2 exponent 1 minus N over N minus 1. If N is equal to K, this is isentropic. Okay. WNF is equal to MRT1 over 1 minus N times B2 over B1 exponent 1 minus N minus 1 or MRT1 over 1 minus N times B1 over B2 exponent N minus 1 or MRT1 over 1 minus N times B2 over P1 exponent N minus 1 over N minus 1 or MRT1 over 1 minus N times T2 over T1 minus 1 equals MR times T2 minus T1 over 1 minus N equals P2 B2 minus P1 B1 over 1 minus N. But CB is equal to R over K minus 1. So delta U is equal to MR times T2 minus T1 over K minus 1 is equal to P2 B2 minus P1 B1 over K minus 1. Then Q is equal to delta U plus non-flow work. I-add mo yung dalawa. Magiging 1 over K minus 1 plus 1 over N minus 1 equals mo to times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 is equal to 1 over K minus 1 minus 1 over N minus 1 times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 is equal to N minus K over times P2 minus P1 B2 minus P1 B1 over K minus 1 then N minus 1. For steady flow work, Q is equal to delta S plus WSP. WSP is equal to NP1 B1 over 1 minus N times P2 over P1 exponent N minus 1 over N minus 1 then equals NMRT1 times P2 over P1 N minus 1 over N minus 1 is equal to NMRT1 over 1 minus N times B1 over B2 exponent N minus 1 minus N. So, or NMRT1 over 1 minus N times T2 over T1 minus 1 is equal to NMR times T2 minus T1 over 1 minus N. But CP is equal to KR over K minus 1. So delta S is equal to MCP times T2 minus T1 is equal to K MR times T2 minus T1 over K minus 1 equals K times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 over K minus 1. So adding Q is equal to delta S plus steady flow work. Magiging 1 over K minus 1 plus 1 over N minus 1 times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 is equal to K over K minus 1. Oops. Minus N over N minus 1 times P2 B2 minus P1 B1. So, 8. May ano dito. So, Q is equal to N minus K times P2 B2 minus P1 B1 over K minus 1 then N minus 1. See? K ito K. Wait na. So, correct natin yung mga error. So, ito nga, Q is equal to K over K minus 1 plus N over 1 minus N. Yeah, same siya. So dito nag-plus at nag-minus. So magbaliktad to. Entropy, delta S is equal to mCB times n minus 1, n minus k over n minus 1 times ln of T2 over T1. Or delta S equal to mCB times n minus k times ln of B1 over B2. Okay, so delta S equal to mCB times n minus k over k n minus 1 del ln of P2 over P1 exponent n minus 1 over n. So mCB times n minus k over n ln of P2 over P1. So please check na lang. So yung CB times n minus k over n minus 1 is equal to Cn. So specific heat at isentropic. So gamitin nyo lang yun dito sa entropy. Note, steady flow work is WSP plus delta K plus delta P is equal to negative integral of B dV. Now, curves for different values of n. So, dito nyo na mabivisualize. Kasi kailangan nyo to. So, the PV diagram, ito yung ano niya. Yung vertical is isentropic, isobaric with n infinity, hindi yan 8. Horizontal naman is pressure constant, n is equal to 0. So, dito na yung 1. And n is equal to 1. Ito yun. Habang lumalaki mo siya, yung slope niya lumalaki dito pag ganun pag ganun. Sa K. Then, ito naman, papunta dito. N is greater than K hanggang sa mag-infinity. So, volume constant. So, ito lang ano niya. Magsi-0 ka dito. 0 to 1, then K to infinity. Dito, ganun din. Sa kulang side is negative. 0 is negative 1, negative 2, ayan, hanggang negative infinity. So, dito naman, ang constant temperature mo, so, N is 1. N is greater than isentropic. So, this is equal to K. N is equal to K. Yan. So, this is K. So, ang zero mo, andito. Then, 0, 1, K, infinity. Yan. Ang slope nito is mas mataas kaysa dito sa K. N is greater than K, ditong side, itong side. So, andyan naman yung mga limits. So, effects of varying and expansion or compressions are imagined to take place from some common point 1. All positive values of n gives curves in the second and fourth quadrant on the PV plane. So, dito lahat ng positive. Second and fourth quadrant. Yan lang. So, positive values of n may produce curves on all four quadrants on the T-spline. Curves with values of n between 1 and k will fail in the second and fourth quadrants on the T-spline and within a narrow region on the PV planes. Yes. So wala siya dito. Fail yan kasi ang ang n dapat mag more than sa so dito. Kasi yan. So example 36. After a series of state changes, the pressure and volume of 2.268 kg of nitrogen are each doubled. What is delta S? The given CB is 0.7442 kJ per kilogram Kelvin. CP is 1.0414 kJ per kilogram Kelvin. Solution. The formula is delta S is equal to mCV ln of T2 over T1 plus MR ln of B2 over B1. So, yan ang general equation ng isentropic. And then, substitute mo yung kasi ang given mo is pressure and volume. So, delta is equal to MCP ln of B2 over B1 plus MCB ln of P2 over P1. Derive yun na lang yan. Okay. So delta is equal to 2.268 times 1.0414 times ln of 2B1 over B1 plus 0.7442 ln of 2P1 over 2P1. It's double, di ba? So it's equal to 2.807 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Yeah. Stagnation properties. Stagnation properties are those thermodynamic properties that a moving stream of compressible fluid would have if it were brought to rest asymptotically. So no outside work, the kinetic energy brings about the compression. The stagnation enthalpy is equal to HO plus S plus V squared over 2 GCG. The stagnation temperature T sub O is equal to T plus V squared over 2 GCJ CP. And T sub O over T is equal to P sub O over P exponent K minus 1 over K is equal to 1 plus V sub B squared over 2 GC CPT. Okay? So HO mo dito galing, T sub O is equal to sa galing, then P sub O dito galing siya. Solve for T sub O muna. So makuha mo yung stagnation properties. Mach number. Mach number is the ratio of the actual speed divided by the local speed of sound A in the fluid. So M is equal to B over A. For M less than 1, tawag doon is subsonic. M greater than 1 is supersonic. Sonic is 1. So acoustic speed is A is equal to GCKRT exponent 1 half. Yung speed of sound. Mollier diagram. SS is the chart on which enthalpy is the ordinate and entropy is the abscissa. Straight line na straight line. Huwag yung i-drawing ulit yung form. Ah. So, dito kayo magpa-plot. So, entropy and enthalpy. Ito pala enthalpy. Ah. Tama. Ito yung enthalpy niya. Dito siya. Yung ano, vertical na yan. 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000. Okay? So, ang bawat 400 C, itong green, and pressure na 10, at least 10 bar, ito, dito. So, makuha mo yung entropy, kung pababa, punta doon. So, makuha mo yung properties, enthalpy and entropy. Kailangan yun. So, temperature entropy diagram, common din to sa steam. Diba yung mga Rankine cycles. So, yan. Is this a constant temperature and pressure? Tapos dito na, pressure na lang ang constant mo. So, superheated na siya. Dito naman, part na to is liquid region. Pag sinabing subcold, that is the temperature ang na-extend. Pag sinabing compressed, pababa siya. Tumataas yung pressure, pababa. Ang tawag talaga, yung from compressed liquid, yan. Dalawa yun, subcold and compressed. pH chart sa mga refrigerant, enthalpy and pressure, yung saturation curve. So, andyan, makikita mo na ibang properties dyan. Mixture. So, mixture tayo, pure substance. Mixture, a substance made up of liquid and vapor portion or two-phase liquid vapor system. X is the quality or dryness factor or vapor content. Y is the 1 minus X is the moisture content or the wetness factor. Properties of mixture. So, V is equal to V sub F plus X V sub Fg. U is equal to U sub F plus X times U sub Fg. S is equal to S sub F plus X times S sub Fg. S is equal to S sub F plus X sub Fg. So, ito yung mga properties na itong pwede mo gawa ng ganyan. Kasi lahat siya unit mass. So, ito naman is properties at saturated liquid. Ito naman yung difference ng saturated sa saturated vapor minus saturated liquid. Yeah. So, example number 37. After expanding 2.5 liters of superheated steam at 2.5 megapascal absolute and 400 C, its pressure was decreased to 0.01 megapascal absolute. If its dryness fraction is 90%, what is the final volume of the steam in liter? The, since board exam, lalagay ito minsan. At 2.5 megapascal absolute and 400 C, V is equal to 125.2 times 10 exponent negative 3 cubic meter per second. At 0.01 megapascal absolute, V sub F is equal to 1.0102 cubic meter times 10 exponent negative 3 cubic meter per kilogram, and B sub G is equal to 14,674 times 10 exponent negative 3 cubic meter per kilogram. Solution, B sub 2 is equal to B sub F plus X times B sub G minus B sub F. Gawin natin yung specific volume ng steam. So, after expanding, so di mo na makonsider ano yung expanding sa superheating. Dito ka na sa 0.01 megapascal pressure saka yung quality or dryness fraction 90%. So, B sub 2 is equal to 1.01022. Oops. Okay, 2 yata to. Yan. Times 10 is point negative 3 plus 9.9 times 14,674 times 10 is negative 3 minus 1.022 times 10 is negative 3. 2 yata to. So, ba't mo lang sagot? So, may sagot yan. Dagdag natin. Okay. So, okay, this is 1.01022. Then, substitute 1.01022 times 10 is negative 3 plus 0.9 times 14,674 times 10 negative 3 minus 1.01022 times 10 negative 3. So B sub 2 is equal to 13,206 times 10 is point negative 3 cubic meter per kilogram. Use M is equal to B sub 1 over B sub 1 or B sub 2 over B sub 2. Capital is the actual volume and the specific volume yung small letter. So since mass is constant, 2.5 liters over 125.2 times 10 is point negative 3 is equal to B sub 2 over 13,206 times 10 is negative 3. So B sub 2 is the 264 liters. Letter B. Okay, this is the final volume of steam in liters. Sample number 38. Determine the heat transferred to the cooling fluid in a condenser operating under steady flow conditions with steam entering with an enthalpy of 2,300 kJ per kilogram and a velocity of 350 meters per second. So, hindi zero ang kinetic energy. So, the condensate leaves with an enthalpy of 160 kJ per kilogram and velocity of 70 meters per second. So, using change energy in and out, yung Q mo is consider mo munang input. So Q is equal to H2 minus H1 plus B sub 2 squared minus B sub 1 over 2 divided by 1,000. 1,000 conversion yan kasi makukuha mo dyan is Newton meter, kilogram, or joule. So divide mo ng 1,000 para maging kilojoule. So substitute values 160 minus 23, 2,300 plus 70 squared minus 350 squared divided by 2 divided by 1,000 is negative 2,199 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so per kilogram tayo kasi wala tayong given na mass. At saka per kilogram naman yung sagot. So the Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle, T1 is equal to T2, is equal to T4 minus T3. So this is the psychometric TS diagram ng ano? So constant enthalpy 1 to 2 is constant enthalpy and 2 to 3 is the constant temperature. 3 to 4 is constant enthalpy ulit. Then 4 to 1 is the constant temperature. This is power cycle, power Carnot cycle. Di ba binalitan mo siya, reverse Carnot cycle yan. So dito, S1 is equal to S4 is equal to S2 minus S4 derivation to so QA is equal to T1 times S1 minus S4. So QR is equal to T2 times S2 minus S3 is equal to T2 times S1 minus S4 equals 0. Work is equal to QA minus QR is equal to T1 times S2 minus S4 minus T2 times S1 minus S4. So E is equal to work over QA is equal to QA minus QR over QA is equal to substitute mo T1 times S1 minus S4 minus T2 times S4 minus S4 over T1 times S1 minus S4 QA to. Yan. Is equal to E exponent T1 minus T2 over T1 is equal to TS minus TL over TS. Normal. Madalas ito rin ginagamit. Yung higher sa low. QA over TH is equal to QR over TL. Note. Where E is the Carnot cycle efficiency, T1 is equal to TH is the highest absolute temperature, T2 is equal to TL is the lowest absolute temperature of the cycle. Next is example 39. A Carnot engine receives 130 BTU of heat from a hot reservoir at 700 Fahrenheit and rejects 49 BTU of heat. Calculate the temperature of the cold reservoir. So TH is equal to 700 plus 460 or 1160 Rankine. So efficiency is work over QA is equal to QA minus QR over QA is equal to TS minus TL over TS. Ang kailangan natin is temperature. So use temperature. 130 minus 49 and heat Q. Q. So ito. So 130 minus 49 divided by 130 is equal to 1160 minus TL over 1160. So TL is equal to 47.23 Rankine minus 460 is negative 22.727 Fahrenheit. So letter B. Meron pang other method nito. QA over TH is equal to QR over TL. Next is the Stirling and Erickson cycle. So balikan nyo lang yung mga notes nyo. Ideal Stirling cycle is composed of two isothermal and two isometric processes, the regeneration occurring at constant volume. Ideal Erickson cycle consists of two isothermal and two isobaric processes with the regeneration occurring during constant pressure. So basic working cycle for various application. So application and the basic working cycle. Sa steam power plant, ang madalas ang is Rankine cycle. Gasoline engine spark ignition is Otto cycle. Wala dito sa thermo, doon na lang to sa power plant. So diesel engine, combustion ignition, diesel cycle. Gas turbine is the Blyton cycle. Refrigeration system, refrigeration cycle. Merong reverse Carnot, vapor compression cycle. So marami. Example number 40. So ito yun naman uso na three-process cycle. 1 kilogram of air at a pressure and temperature of 1 bar and 15 C initially undergoes the following processes in a cycle. Puspisa tayo sa 1. 1 bar and 15 C. Isothermal compression to 2. So check nyo yung curve natin, mga curve doon na yan. 2 to 3 polytropic and 4 to 1 is asymptotic. So yan. Ito yung sa PB, ito yung sa Phase diagram. So double check mo to. Yung slope ng PB exponent n mas mataas sa temperature constant. Solution, P sub 1 is 1 bar, 100 kilopascal. Change mo yan. P sub 1 is 15 plus 2, 7 is 288 Kelvin. P sub 2 is equal to 2 bar is 200 kilopascal. P3 is 4 bar, 400 kilopascal. M is 1 kilogram. So may mass. Pero ang record niya dito is kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. Sa actual, sa bag, tama rin. So 1 to 2 is T is equal to C. T2 is equal to T1 is equal to 288 Kelvin. Okay. So tamang sagot is since multiple choice, mga trick yon ang multiple choice. So okay lang yan. So sa actual is mayroon ka na 1 kilogram. So ang unit mo dapat wala ng per kilogram. P2 is equal to 2 bar is 200 kilopascal. 2 to 3, PB exponent n is equal to C. Here, P2 is 200 bar. Constant, dati, T2 is 288. P3 is 400 kilopascal. So, T3 is equal to T2 times P3 over P2 exponent n minus 1 over n. Itong mga pamilyar dapat na kayo. So, T21, PB exponent K is equal to C. P3 is 200 kilopascal. So this is not 300. T1 is 288 and P1 is 100. So T3 is equal to T1 times P2 over P1 is 0.k minus 1 over K. PT is not 2. Okay, balik na natin. So yan. PT is 400. T1 is 288 Kelvin. P1 is 100 kilopascal. So T3 is equal to T1 PT over P1 point K minus 1 over K. So mamaya na natin i-submit kasi wala meron tayong wala dito na kailangan natin i-solve. Diba? Polytropic. Ano yung value ng N? Yan. So yun natin alam. So then, T sub 3 is equal to T sub 2. Equate na natin yung T sub 3. Yan. T sub 3 bot siya. Kaya magtaka kayo bakit hindi ko pa sinolve dito. May P3, may P1, may T1, may K. Okay, ang K natin. So, ang hanapin natin is N. So, T3 is equal to T2 times P3 over P2 exponent N minus 1 over N is equal to T1 times P3 over P1 exponent K minus 1 over K. So, P3 over P2 exponent N minus 1 over N is equal to P3 over P1 exponent K minus 1 over K. So, substitute values of 400 over 200 exponent N minus 1 over N is equal to 400 over 100 exponent 1.4 minus 1 over 1.4. Solve for N is equal to 2.333. Solve for the work, anong required natin? What is the cycle work? So, cycle work, so work from 1 to 2 plus work 2 to 3 and 3 to 1. From 1 to 2, this is isothermal. So, negative MR T1 times ln of B1 over B2. And work naman sa 2 to 3 is polytropic. So, negative NMR T2 over 1 minus N times P2 over P3 exponent N minus 1 over N minus 1. So, work from 3 to 1 is negative asymptotic work. Negative K MR T1 over 1 minus K times P2 over P1 K minus 1 over K minus 1. Where M is 1 kilogram. So, substitute na values. Diba? Substitute values. So, substitute na lang natin. Ito yung mga formula. So, 1 to 2 is negative 1 times 0.287. Yung R ng air. Times 288. In SI unit. 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Times ln of 200 over 100. Based dito sa pressure. Yeah? So, this is equal to negative 57.3 kilojoule. So, work 2 to 3, yan ang equation natin. So, substitute values, negative 2.333 times 1 times 0.287 times 288 over 1 minus 2.333 times 200 over 400 is 2.333 minus 1 over 2.333 minus 1. With the work 2 to 3 is equal to negative 70.3 kilojoule. So, the 3 to 1, so this is the equation, substitute values. Negative 1.4 times 1 times 0.287 times 288 over 1 minus 1.4 times 400 over 100, 1.4 minus 1 over 1.4 minus 1. So, lahat siya pressure, di ba? So, work 2, 3 to 1 is 140.6 kilojoule. Add cycle work is work from 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3 plus 3 to 1 is negative 57.3 minus 70.3 plus 140.6. Okay? 1 to 2 pa left side, 2 to 3 left side then. So, negative. 3 to 1 is positive. So, the answer is 13 kilojoule. Letter D. So, okay. 13. Letter B. Okay. Yes, so this is the thermodynamic review topic.